Hi, welcome to Yarn again. This is Teresa, and it is Mary and Maxim Monday. Today's kit is for June. It arrived Saturday. Maybe it's for July. It arrived Saturday. Anyway, this is the pattern that we're gonna make. Isn't that gorgeous? And the colors are beautiful. And it is the level easy. Yay. There's the item number. It's the Daybreak Poncho. One size fits most ladies. Well, some men might want to wear that. Anyway, I think it's beautiful. And this is what you get in the kit. You get the worsted weight size 4 yarn, but it's roving. It's a Mary Maxim twisted 7 ounce, 263 yards. It's the color of Sassy, and I've gotten 3 cakes. You will need an N hook. Oh, good, I have that one. That means it'll go super fast. So maybe I'll get this one done because I never touched last month's. Not for any other reason than I was lazy. Life got in the way. Here's the diagram of how you do it, which I don't get. Oh, you got to make 2 panels. Read the directions. That helps. Okay. And then this is what it looks like with the arm span. So it's like a straight one except for the sides. I see. Okay. It's pretty. Yeah, pretty. At first, I must admit, I thought it was a bod pattern. I really did. I was excited. I was like, oh, I got a bod pattern. Ooh, a bag of days. Ooh. I was excited. Anyway, here's a picture of the thing. It is 100% acrylic. Mary Maxim twisted, as I said. This is the color. In real live person. They're pretty. I got 3 cakes of this. They do come in a nice sturdy zippered bag, and it holds all 3. You could probably get 4 in this bag. This bag also comes with let's see, there's a pocket right here. There's a pocket. Let's see the pocket. I know you probably can't see the pocket, but there's a pocket here so you could put your instructions there. And you put your hook and your scissors there. And no handle this time. Sometimes you get a little handle on here, but there's no handle this month. But it's really nice to have these plastic type. Anybody remember those plastic tablecloths we had when we were kids to cover the nice table for when the company wasn't there? That's what this is like, a little thinner. And you can use it for this project, and when you're done and you use up the yarn, you got a nice little project bag. I use these to store my hanks of yarn when I'm done because I really don't like the hanks of yarn just floating around. I have to keep them in the bags. That's me. I'm sure there's other uses for these yarns, these bags too. Thank you for viewing this video. I appreciate you coming by. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. If you're not a subscriber, please think of doing so. Please like, share, and have a blessed day. Bye.